Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different uses for face oil. So let's jump straight into the video. The oil that I'm going to be using is the Tarte Maracuja Oil. It is full of essential fatty acids as well as vitamin C, and they claim that it firms, brightens, smooths, and hydrates your skin. And I'd say I've been using it for about a month and a half now. So the first way that you can use Tarte's Maracuja Oil is apply it directly onto the dry spots on your skin. The second way that you can use a face oil is apply it all over your face. So what I like to do is just take the dropper and just apply it directly onto my skin. Get a little more. And then what I like to do is you can rub it just a tiny bit, but make sure that after that you actually pat it into the skin. This helps it absorb a lot faster. And once you've patted the oil in, what I like to do is just leave it overnight so that it can soak in for a full 8 hours. The third way that you can use a face oil is to combine it with your everyday moisturizer. The moisturizer that I like to use is the Philosophy Purity Moisturizer. I just like to apply 1 to 2 drops onto the back of my hand and then apply 1 drop of face oil. There we go. And then just mix it all together. And then just apply it directly onto your face. It's so hard to walk our separate ways when all we ever said. You can choose to put this on either in the morning or at night. It's completely up to you. Every time I get up to leave, all these consequences. The fourth way that you can use a face oil is to combine it with your foundation. This allows you to achieve a radiant and glowy makeup look. I like to apply about 2 pumps of foundation and just 1 drop. 1 to 2 actually, 1 to 2 drops of face oil. Just mix that with your fingers onto the back of your hand and just apply it directly onto your skin, and then you can blend it out with a beauty blender. So as you can see, my skin is already looking more radiant and glowy. So now we're going to get into the 5th and final use. It's a very exciting use. What I'm going to do is apply just a little bit of face oil onto the high points of my skin before I apply my highlighter. This is going to make the highlighter very intense, so if you like that sort of thing, this is perfect for you. So I'm just applying a tiny little bit of face oil, and I'm not even going to use all of this. I'm just going to dab it onto my fingers and just apply it onto the high points of my cheekbones. And I'll just do this side. This is going to help the highlighter really stick on and be very intense. Okay. So I'm just going to go in with a fan brush and then whatever is your favorite highlighter. Mine is the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. As you can see, that's quite intense. So those were the 5 ways that I personally like to use face oils. I highly recommend that you invest in your own face oil because of all the benefits for your skin. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys!